Transit of Jupiter in first house again from Sagittarius moon sign. The date starts from 30th of June 2020 till 20th of November 2020. During this particular period, Jupiter will move through your first house from your moon sign Sagittarius. This brings about some significant negative result. Your health would require extra attention and care in order to avoid any kind of health problem or diseases. Avoid taking life risk when it comes to your health. Financially also, you may have to face some rough phase. You may lose some of your money due to unnecessary expenditure. Avoid long distance travel as may not yield the expected result during this particular time. You also likely to suffer from during this particular travel. There is also a chance of you staying away from your native land during this particular phase. If unemployed, you may face disappointment regarding your employment. This could also prove to be trying time professionally. Avoid any kind of arguments with your senior at workplace as it might give you mental agony. Moreover, put an extra effort to complete your projects successfully and on time. This period also sees you suffer from punishment from the government authority, humiliation or loss of position at workplace. Hold on to your position and respect. Do not put these into risk at any cost. Moreover, avoid any arguments with family members. Try to keep yourself calm. Be cautious in your decisions and choices while dealing with people. You would also need to keep your spirits high as this period may bring along mental agony and depression as well. However, some of you may also find solution to some of your previous problems during this particular time. You may also get the news of the conception of your child. Your interest in religious work will be rising. Students are likely to excel during this particular time. Your prestige in society is also likely to move up during this particular time. Jupiter in first house transit. Jupiter in the first house transit is the beginning of major cycle of growth. Starting something new, bigger and better. While Jupiter is in the first house, you must try to rediscover what you're really capable of. You should get to know about yourself, what you can really accomplish with your potential. Because under this influence, you feel more secure about yourself and the impression and influence that you make upon others. You'll be a lot more confident, brave, presentable, dignified, but you should not react to this transit by exaggerating your own importance either. Look at the truth of you, who you are, what you are capable of. That should be entirely adequate. This is also time for upgrading your knowledge, ability and skill set and gaining new experiences. All this is a part of your present need for growth, which affect not only yourself, but also the way you deal with the situation, scenarios as a whole. At this time, it's very important to upgrade your attitudes or prejudice that may have hung over with you from the long time. Persons and resources are likely to drawn to you now. You should take constructive advantage of them. In other words, anyone whom you become involved with at this time should benefit from the association as much you do. Only through mutual help will truly achieve growth. The spiritual dimension of you should be greater now. You have to know the deeper dimensions, meaning as well. Otherwise, the rest become meaningless. This year should be quite fortunate for you in the personal terms. Your relationship, personal and professional, and encounter with others should work to your advantage consistently. Jupiter will increase your self-confidence and poise, should serve you well and enable you to raise the scope of your activity. But try not to be overbearing. Even if you score significant success, don't delude yourself into thinking that you have all the answers and solution to every problem. The answer is no. You're still learning, upgrading, developing, absorbing and contributing and going to the higher under this period of transit of Jupiter. But whenever you're going through these problems, 8th house is occupied by any other planet. Second house, fifth house, ninth house, 12th house are occupied by enemy of Jupiter and Moon. And Moon is occupied in fourth house. Second, fifth, ninth, 12th house are occupied by Rahu, Venus and Mercury or Saturn. These are enemies of the Jupiter. Loss of status, prestige, honor and comfort and family happiness. Trapped by enemies, lack of support and guidance. Then please do raise your Jupiter with the help of this following task. Number 1, please do bury 7 kg black salt in a cultivated land on Saturday early morning. Task number 2, do pierce your left nostril and do wear a white metal stud for 129 days. And after these days, take out the stud flowing the fastest flowing river. So these 2 tasks are quite important to raise your Jupiter. It's very, very important. So do the best.